Hey everyone, I just wanted to tell you about my appointment this morning. I get a call from a WordPress website owner that says to me, my customers are calling me and says my website's down. So after I went out and investigated, found out that it all could have been prevented. It was all due to the site not being updated in over a year. So many WordPress website owners were never told, or they forget that their WordPress website needs to be updated, preferably on a monthly basis, to keep all the plugins and all the versions of WordPress up to date and the site will run properly. I do WordPress updates on a monthly basis for people.